I don't have a PC case, so we're moving on to plan B. Alright, after getting it cleaned up in the house, and yeah, gotta throw the motherboard in. RAM's already installed, CPU's already installed, the leftover thermal paste. Zip tie is gonna get this zip pad down. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. Never done this before, but we're gonna give it a shot, see if I can't make it last. Boom, solid, not going nowhere. Gonna get the tails cut off all the zip ties, make it look really nice. CPU cooler fan installed. Little snack for my CPU cooler. Get this bad boy in there. GPU as well. And yeah, power supply. Just plug in. And it looks like it works. Oh my god. Don't do this.